I just got my hands on the MCO Beauty Collection, now available at Kroger and all their sister stores across the U.S. We've got the Instant Glow Flash Primer to kickstart the skin's radiance, and the Super Glow Bronzing Drops give a sun-kissed shimmer that just won't quit. The Super Glow Blush Drops are just too cute. The Souffle Dream Moisturising Cream is like a cloud of hydration for your skin. Brows are on fleek with the Brow Laminate Sculpt Set. And the Hair and Brow Magic Wand is legit magic. For lips that speak volumes, the Liplights Shine Gloss is what you need. And let's not forget the Highlight and Glow Beauty Wand, which is perfect for highlights anywhere you'd like. Look at that glow. The Instant Contour Cream Bronzer is perfect for adding definition to your look. The Soft Matte Beauty Wand is so vibrant and gorgeous. Look at that. Glow and Treat 2-in-1 Lip Treatment is going to be your new BFF for your lips, along with the lip oil hydrating treatment. The Cheek and Lip Tint in Blush Red, it's the dual action darling that will have your cheeks and lips popping. And to top it off, the Extend Lash Mascara will have your lashes reaching for the stars. I can't wait to create some drop dead gorgeous looks with these, so stay tuned.